If you are a seller on Amazon in the present time, one of the most important thing you need is a way to connect with your customers outside of the Amazon platform, because relying only on Amazon message or reviews is not enough to build a real business. This is where an email marketing tool like GetResponse become a game changer. In this video, I will talk about why GetResponse is perfect for Amazon sellers, especially if you are just starting out. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify tools and tech so you can spend more time growing your business and less time to stressing over the complicated system. If that sounds helpful and good to you, hit the subscribe button and check the link in the description or the pinned comment for the free trial or the special deals for GetResponses. So first, let's start with the basic thing. GetResponse is primarily an email marketing platform, but it also has the funnels, automation, and even landing page builder in. For Amazon sellers, this is really helpful because you can collect your email from your buyers or leads and start building a list that belongs to you, not Amazon. Think of it as having your own customer database that you control, which is one of the smartest things you can do to grow your long term. So one of the best features for Amazon sellers is the automation. You can set up the automatic email to go out after someone buys your product, like thanking them or giving tips on using it, for offering a discount for their next purchase. Now you can even create the follow-up sequence for people who don't complete a purchase or sign up for a free resources. This kind of automation keeps you in touch with your audience without you having to do all of the work in manually. GetResponse also makes it easy to segment your customer. That means you can send different kind of message to different group, like first time buyer, the repeat buyer, or people interested in specific product category. For Amazon sellers, this helps make your email more personal, which usually lead to more sales and the happier customers. Another great thing is the simplicity. Even if you are new, GetResponse is very easy to use. You can create the professional looking email with drag and drop feature, and you don't need to hire a designer or a coder. Plus, the analytics dashboard shows how many people opened your email, clicked your links, or purchased again. This will help you to see what works and tweak your campaign to get the better result. Finally, the pricing is beginner friendly. You can start small, test things out, and scale as your business grows. For new Amazon seller, this is perfect because you don't want to pay a huge monthly fee before you are making the consistent sales. So to sum it up, GetResponse is perfect for Amazon seller because it helps you to build your own email list, automate your follow-up, segment your audience, track the result, and scale your marketing without too much stress. So it gives you control over your customer relationship and help you to grow faster and smarter. So this was the video about the GetResponses for the Amazon seller. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video.